what you guys have access to, because I do know, so I'm going to show you two different things. You can create custom pages for your CMA, and that's what we're going to work on today. I'm going to show you how to create a custom page for both adding your marketing plan in and adding any testimonials in. Wow, I got like sun rays right across my face.
You're glowing.
So right now, the Real Satisfied surveys aren't automatically feeding into your CMA, but they're working on it. But I have a workaround for now. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to go into Moxi. I'm going to share my screen. Hopefully. This is going to, I have to go in between screens. So Wendy, if at any time I'm not making any sense, let me know, because I have to change my share each time. So when I'm not going to show you how to get into Moxi, I think you guys know how to do that by now. And if you don't, we need to have another sidebar training. So you hit present. Be patient with the internet as always. Play the Jeopardy music. I don't remember I'm recording. So.
Now, Chris, you have a big glare from the window up in the corner. I don't know if you want to turn your, there you go. That's a little better.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna hide you. So when you're creating a new form, all you do is hit the blue button. I'm sorry, I'm already wrong. You hit My Library. I already have two of these created, but I'm just going to create a new one similar to what I've already done. So you go up here and you hit Create New or Create Page. We're going to build a page. You can upload it as a PDF. I find it easier to build the page. And right now I'm working in the web view, because the web view is what I will hopefully most of the time use. The print view is pretty, you can look at it as a print view also, and you can edit your print view, but right now I'm doing a web view. Just let me go back.
I'm still spinning.
You're still spinning? Let me go back for a second. Because you have options on how you build this page. You can create any of these formats, but once you're in it, you can change this around. You can add more boxes. You can do whatever you want to do on these pages. I just have this one as a default because the top is a title, and then I have two columns, and it works out well for what I'm going to be doing. When we do the testimonials, we may want to do like these boxes over here, because then you can put each testimonial in a box, but you have to play around with it and visually find out what you like better. So in here, you can add an image, you can add a video, you can add a web link. So if you want to create your own page, you guys, I'm sure Joe and Elizabeth, because you've done a lot of this in Canva, there's some custom pages you may want to bring into this. So you have at it. I mean, you can add a video, you can do a lot. Just remember, you want to look at it in web and print version, because the video is not going to make any sense in a print version, but it will on a web version. So you can eliminate it on the print version. I know, I see he's like, he is spinning over
Hey,
here.
guess what? I'm in.
Oh, because he's in,
man,
your,
he's in my account.
he's in your account. So,
Hold on, I'm also
so right now I'm just going to add text for the title. Just click on the text. And I'm in here. Again, you can format whatever you want. You can center it. You can make it as big, as tiny, whatever you want to do. To title, I'm going to center it, and I'm going to say my marketing plan. Whatever you want to call it.
Chris Farley is awesome.
Yeah, Chris Farley is awesome. Thank you. Appreciate that.
That's what it is.
Gotta love my husband. Again, play around with it. You want to make it bold, you want to make it a different color, go for it. You want to make it a custom Century 21 color and you know the numbers to enter, make it a custom Century 21 color. If you want to know how to do that, we'll do that another day, but you can make it any color you want, whatever you want. Be creative, but don't be so creative it looks garish. So I'm going to add some text here. So I'm just going to hit text over here for my marketing plan. Now, this is where, Wendy, I'm in a Word document. Do you see my Word document? Don't think she does, but just for the fact that I am recording, I'm going to make sure I do it right. If I see screen, it should be okay. So this is my marketing plan. Everybody should have their own. If you want mine, I will give it to you and you can modify mine, whichever you want to do. I just copy and paste all of this information.
This already exists though in the presentation. Do you pull yours? Do you pull it out? You don't edit it?
I don't like Century 21's 21 steps
Okay.
because I do different things and it doesn't include everything that I do.
Okay.
So I prefer my own marketing plan. That's just me.
So does Moxi have the capacity to accept a drag and drop file, like an entire Word or PDF
A
file?
PDF it
You can
does.
upload a PDF.
Okay. You can
So
upload a
if this were a
PDF.
PDF instead of a Word doc, we can
Yeah,
just take the whole file.
You can,
bring it
and
over
the
the field
only
and drop
reason
it.
I'm doing it differently
Mhm.
is because
She wants to show us all the cool things.
I don't, like, this goes down for pages. And when I hit the print version, it's ugly. So for now, I'm gonna go into, hopefully, go into this block, which is not gonna let me go into this block. Oh, there, this one.
It just extended both fields.
Yeah, extend both fields. So, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go up and delete that block.
Oh,
And
and then you get the full page.
yeah, and then this one I want to. Where the heck is my little garbage button? There it is. It's on the bottom.
Why wouldn't you just pick the thing
Hmm,
that had just one block on it?
because I want to be complicated and show you how to
Okay.
delete blocks. I'm probably going to delete all of my content right now and have to reload it.
I think you are.
That's okay. We'll reload it because it's just a control V. So I'm going to add a plus. I'm going to add one module. I could add 4 modules if I want, 4 columns. Part of this is just to show you guys if you do something, this is how you fix it, this is how you change it. Click OK. Now I can put my marketing plan back in there with a control V because it's already there. I don't need marketing plan of action at the top because I'm already telling them it's my marketing plan, so I can get rid of that. I can change the size, I can change the fonts. I don't really feel like I have to change a lot.
So what are the other file extensions that this will accept? We talked about PDFs. Will it accept? Is it a JPEG, a GIF? What does it take for MPEGs?
I believe it takes any image. I have not seen an image. We're going to do PNGs in a minute, so it'll take that. I haven't put a video in yet, so I need to kind of see what it would do for a video. But I know it can be a website link. It can be an upload video.
Jonathan.
It's on YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube link, definitely easy. YouTube is the easiest way to get a video up into Moxi.
That's the only place that I do it because everything else is too large.
Yep.
Cool.
Exactly. I upload like these, I upload to YouTube because there's no way I could ever mail them to you. So
Basic computer issues over here.
you need a new
Put it into
computer.
it.
She needs a new computer.
The little pluses are just not on my screen. They're over there.
Plus, do control minus to your screen.
I was trying to do it to actually put in the percentage of what I was seeing and it wouldn't work.
So when you're in here, this is what you want to look at it from a print standpoint as well. So just hit, I'm just going to copy it over. Hopefully it'll all copy over. Don't know if it did. Doesn't always like me. See, so it added this extra weird page up here and I don't know why.
Drop your cursor on the second page into a backspace.
Yeah. There's a page break in here I have to figure out how to get rid of. And let's just get rid of all of it. And put a new one in. It doesn't like me, we delete and we do again.
And you went into the triple dot in the upper right-hand corner and you clicked on copy to print. Is that what you were doing?
I just hit print portrait format on the top. Where there's a video view.
Okay.
More. There's a page break in here and I'm not sure why this page break is here. Interesting. I need to figure that out.
Can you change the dimensions of the My Marketing Plan header field down at the bottom where the page break is? Just by hovering the cursor over the bottom of the page.
I'll figure it out. Hopefully you guys don't have the same issue when you copy and paste. So the web version, once you're happy with it, just make sure you hit save. And then I'll show you, after I show you how to do the real status, this testimonials, then I'll show you how to bring it into your presentation. Just make sure you hit save. You said 3 dots. So if you want to change your layout, like I should have selected a 1, you just go into layout options. You can change your layout up there. There's a lot you can do. I have not played around with this much. I prefer my marketing plan and I prefer my testimonials be in here. So that's the reason I started playing with this. So once you're happy with it, make sure you hit save and then you can just X out of it. My computer is.
It didn't give me a page break.
Okay, so it just.
So it might just be something weird in the way you formatted it.
Of course, it's special.
Yeah, special. That's what we're calling it. I have to call it 2 because I've already called it. I should probably enable page editing so if I share it with you guys, you can edit it. There's no reason for you guys, unless like Joe and Elizabeth, you guys may, because you guys are set up, I believe, to share with each other.
Yeah.
So you may want to. There's no reason why a like single agent would need to. So it's been saved. I'm gonna get out of it now. And then I'm gonna create another page.
Where is it saved? C21
It's-
Company Cloud?
And no, it's saved in your Moxi.
Okay.
So then I'm just gonna build another page
Oh, excuse me.
and I'm gonna pick this one over here, I guess. Again, play around with it, find out what you like and don't like about it. I'm gonna call this client testimonials. Again, you want it to be a larger font, you want to play around with it, go for it. Make it bold, you want to make it pretty, whatever you want to do. So here's where I'm going to add an image. So if you have saved your client testimonials, you know, the ones that they send to you, and you right click on and you save them, fantastic. Then wherever you have saved them, upload them. I'm going to guess 99% of our agents have never saved these client testimonials. You could grab them from Facebook if you've shared them on Facebook, but the resolution is going to be low. Let Shelly or I know, and we can download them and give them to you. I will show you how to do that.
Yeah, I think I've done that.
It's super easy for us, but the agents don't have access to it. It's only.
But
a
when we
corporate level.
download them, isn't it more of like a Word document? No,
I'll show you.
I did it.
I'll show you how to do it. I know what you're talking about, but I was given a cheat way to do this.
Okay.
So all you do is, mine are unfortunately still uploaded from when I made mine, and just add them into the field. It's going to fill the box. What I like about this is these are images that, so you know, I didn't like copy and paste them over.
Right.
So
Yeah,
they're
that's a good point.
they're legitimate, like you can go online and find the same information.
Do you know what those are for our past deals?
We don't have any. We haven't asked for any of these. We need to.
Yeah, so you guys can go in and Real Satisfied, and I can show you in Real Satisfied how to do that, to go past clients, even if they weren't with our company, you can do it. So like this one, if I wanted to add additional pictures, I could hopefully make this. My computer is very slow, sorry. And I can just go and you can add as many as you want. I don't think you need to add all of them. I mean, it's nice, just do a couple, top 5, top 6, whatever you're comfortable with. If you have 2, do 2, do something, let them know who you are.
Can you scroll them in one window?
They'll scroll. What do you mean?
So if I popped a testimonial into one of these boxes, one of these 4 boxes that the template gave us, can I pop more in below that and have them scroll, or do you have to manually scroll with a slide bar?
You manually scroll
Can't
because the
animate it
whole
with a scroll.
CMA is a scroll with a sidebar. So that's as simple as that is, and I hit save. Client. Save. So now that we have these fabulous, where do you put them? Get out of that. So they're here. You can see I've done them twice now. So you go back into present, or you go to home. Go into your whatever presentation you did and click the edit button. I probably already put it in here. So. Once you're in your presentation, go over to pages. And you're going to add a page. You can create a new page from here. You can add from your library. So I'm going to add from the library. I have 4 custom pages. And then Century 21 has 239 pages that you could add. Please do not add 239 pages to your CMA. So right now on the top, it's telling me I have 13 pages in here. You can remove, you can add, you can move them around. So I'm going to add client testimonials. You're welcome.
Oh, shoot, no. Now I need one with Shelley's.
Oh, no, we don't need me.
Because we have fun when we do this.
We do.
So the buttons over here, I'm going to remove my old ones so you guys can see what it looks like when I add them, because I have my other ones in there when I was practicing. So all you do is hit the blue add. And it'll add it to your presentation. So if you go back to your pages at the top, it automatically puts them on the top. I want these towards the bottom.
Yep.
So I will scroll down and I'll put them on the bottom. After net proceeds, I put them. You might have them in here twice. And so if you click on it, then you're going to see what it looks like. Here's my marketing plan. It literally was a cut and paste. There's a spacing thing in here I want to fix, but I will fix it later. And then your client testimonials, if you click on that, they're in there. Now, most of us use the same template all the time when you're doing a presentation. So if you find like, this is my template, this is what I want to keep as my template. And you can always add and take away, but if this is what kind of the standard information you want to provide, click save as template. Whoops, save as template.
Okay, that's not something.
And then I can write, this is the seller. I want to do Chris Farley CMA. I've already done this once before. I'll just call me, I don't care. He never reads his email with my schedule.
What was a series of clicks that you used to get to add the page to your presentation?
Let's go back and do it then.
Cool.
At the top of the page on your, it says add a page. Right
Oh,
here,
in
add a
your- in
page.
your-
Yeah. And you add it from the library.
Hold on, I'm just popping one open here.
Get out of the presentation. You need to be back in, click the edit button on the presentation, the little pencil,
Okay, and it'll give me a drop down.
and then go over to pages. And then you can add a page from there.
I just have nothing. It's just, I don't know if it's the internet today.
I don't know.
I got nothing.
And then that's where you can add and remove pages. Either your personal pages are under my pages and the Century 21 pages are there. If you click on them, you're gonna see, like, I don't need a Spanish presentation. The nice thing is they're in folders.
I do.
She does, that's why I
Apparently,
laughed.
apparently.
There is a Spanish speaking, there is a Spanish buyer and a Spanish seller. CMA in here, buyers. Mhm.
So would that be under my pages? The page to add is under my.
The one that
pages?
you just created
I
is
believe
under
so.
my pages, yes.
Okay,
And click the, did you have any pages? Did you create a page?
I did.
Okay. Did you save it?
I think I did. Oh,
Good,
I
no.
created a file, so.
Okay. So it might be in the file.
I can keep messing around.
Okay, that's fine. We can go for it. But once you have this template set up, then go back and save it as a template. So that way all of your future presentations will at least start with what you won't have to keep adding your testimonials in. And that's what I've got.
Hey, Chris,
Wendy, up,
can you send me your,
marketing
No.
plan.
yeah, I think I probably have something like that, but I just want to kind of look at yours again.
No, mine's a combination of mine and Jennifer Lawrence's.
Yeah, and I probably haven't updated mine in a while, so something I want to do.
Yep, when I send out the link for this, I will send out I'll attach it.
Okay,
You
yeah,
have it.
great. I got it.
Okay,
Looks pretty intuitive,
it really is, and
I know what you're doing.
if
so.
you ever get stuck, you literally click the help and tell them why you're stuck, and they're gonna give you either a video, or if it's beyond what a video can solve or their help desk can solve, there's a live person that will chat with you and walk you through it.
Okay, all right, great.
100%. Easy to do. All right,
Yeah, and I'll check on my testimonials. I think I have them all saved, but I gotta
if
look.
not, let us know and I will, we'll get them to you. It's easy.
Okay, great.
All right.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Wendy. Hey, I'm gonna skip the day before Thanksgiving, but I'll send the December dates out.
Okay,
All
great.
right?
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Wendy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Wendy.